So now we Petaling Street. We buy some belts. We ask for the $80, but by in $40 we buy 2 pieces. Good to sing, but you have to know how to do the bargaining. So we moving forward. We go further down. Let's see.
Yeah.
Chanel, Coach, a lot of things you can see here.
Okay, Malaysia.
So this is your perfume, your shoes,
Hello.
clothes,
Sir, bigger है, bigger.
everything you can buy. See the Nike one? Now we are entering the food market in Italy. So now you can see a lot of things really there. Durian. Now enter in the food market. This is a chestnut. Actually, I have tried before. The chestnut really is good to eat, but really is it's hot. It's good. Hard to break actually. But we can try actually. Now we are in the food market. The foods, everything there. What is it? Is it mango children?
What is he to pay? What is this?
Mango.
You bought mango
Is it mango? What's called this one? I forgot the name. Is it the?
These are mango. They're so cute.
So this is a juice. So the end of Petaling Street. This is the end of Petaling Street now. Good to see. There's a food. There's a textile, bags, belt. A lot of things you can see inside. Now end of this street. Some durian, some coconut. You want to drink coconut, but it's too full, so we cannot drink anymore. Beside the tower. Just beside only. So now I close. The road is also closing at the side. So I think I stop this video. I'll see you in my next video later. I'll show you what next I can update you on this. See you. So this is the time is now 8:30 and we are just beside the Merdeka Tower. Very near. So you just I show you how just very near actually. Really. So I show you the Times Square then. Yes. See, this is near. We are just beside the Merdeka Minara, or you can say tower. Okay, I upload the next video.